The United States Constitution's Fifth and Sixth Amendments provide criminal defendants with the right to counsel. The Sixth Amendment right is a textual guarantee, and the United States Supreme Court established the Fifth Amendment right in Miranda v. Arizona. In McNeil v. Wisconsin, the court considered the interplay between the two versions of the right. Paul McNeil was arrested for an armed robbery that occurred in West Allis, Wisconsin. When arrested, McNeil was read his Miranda rights. McNeil refused to answer questions and didn't request an attorney. At his initial court appearance, McNeil was represented by the Public Defender's Office. Later that evening, Detective Joseph Butts visited McNeil in jail to question McNeil about an attempted murder and burglary in Caledonia, Wisconsin. McNeil was read his Miranda rights and waived them. In that interview, McNeil denied involvement in the Caledonia crimes. 2 days later, Butts again visited McNeil. Butts read McNeil his Miranda rights, and McNeil again waived them. McNeil then admitted his involvement in the Caledonia crimes and identified 2 others also involved. McNeil initialed a typed confession. 2 days after that, Butts visited McNeil to question him about one of the men McNeil had identified. McNeil admitted to lying about that person's involvement and signed an updated confession. McNeil was charged with the Caledonia crimes. At a pretrial hearing, the trial court denied McNeil's motion to suppress his confessions. McNeil was convicted and sentenced to 60 years in prison. On appeal to the Wisconsin Supreme Court, McNeil contended that his initial court appearance with an attorney for the West Allis crimes constituted an invocation of his Fifth Amendment right to counsel, and that any subsequent waiver of that right was invalid. The Wisconsin Supreme Court rejected this argument and affirmed the trial court. McNeil appealed to the United States Supreme Court, which granted cert.